So as we know, robots are already here, and they are here to help us. They are not here to take away our jobs. They're not here to take away our salaries and earning. They are actually here to enhance and support the way that we do things. So today we already have a lot of robots in the hospital. We already have them in the OR. You heard about Da Vinci robots, about 13, 14, 15 years ago. Nobody was thinking about robotic surgery. Now it's a standard, and you have a lot of other companies coming up. When it comes to the hospital logistics, a lot of hospitals are already using robots to collect and deliver specimens, collect and deliver laundry, collect and deliver food. And when it comes to SPD, we are moving away from the traditional automation of loading and unloading equipment. So we already have robots loading and unloading sterilizers and washers. Also robots delivering goods to different sterilization stations within the clean room or the dirty area.